Starting a side business can feel overwhelming for most people, especially when balancing a full-time job. The idea of doing it all, managing a day job, building something from scratch, and still having time for yourself can seem impossible. Many people think that it's something only a select few can pull off. But here's the thing, turning a side business into a thriving full-time venture doesn't have to be a huge leap into the unknown. It's all about following a simple step-by-step framework. Now, most people know that having a steady income from a full-time job offers a certain kind of comfort. However, there's something many people also realize after some time, a nagging feeling that they're meant for more. Perhaps their dream job isn't as fulfilling as they'd hoped. It's not about money, it's about something deeper. More freedom, more chances to be creative, or simply to use their talents in a way that feels more meaningful. This feeling often drives people to explore new opportunities, whether it's starting a side business, learning a new skill, or venturing into the unknown. Let's face it, diving into entrepreneurship full-time can be risky, especially when there are financial responsibilities like bills, loans, and family to support. That's where the beauty of starting a side business comes in. It's a perfect middle ground. By maintaining your day job, you get to test the waters, explore new ideas, and experiment with income streams, all without sacrificing the stability of your full-time employment. For anyone feeling this pull, here's a 3-step framework to help guide the process. Step 1 is to find the intersection. You need to find the sweet spot between what you're passionate about and what's actually in demand. Sure, following your passion is important, but passion alone won't pay the bills. You've got to figure out if there's a market for your idea. Simon Sinek's golden circle concept is a great tool to guide this process. First, ask yourself, what are you offering? What's the product or service that people actually want or need? This is the foundation of your business. Then think about how you're going to deliver it. What makes your approach unique? This could be your skill set, your creative process, or your angle on the problem you're solving. Finally, why does it matter? What's the driving force behind your business? Understanding your why is key, as it connects not just to your personal motivation, but also resonates with your audience. When all three of these elements align, what, how, and why, you've got a much stronger foundation to build something that's both enjoyable and financially viable. At this stage, you need to ask yourself, can I turn my idea into something people will actually pay for? It's common to experiment with several ideas before you land on the right one, and that's perfectly fine. The great thing about starting a side business is that you have the freedom to test and fail without risking everything. You get to learn from your mistakes, which makes the process much less daunting. Once a viable business idea has been identified, it's essential to test it on a small scale first. At the beginning stages, the primary focus should be on validating the concept rather than immediately generating significant profits. A great way to test demand is by offering your service for free. By reaching out to potential customers in your industry and offering free samples or trials, you can determine if there's genuine interest in what you're offering. If people are willing to accept your service for free, it's a strong indicator that you're on the right path. From there, you can gradually convert these free offerings into paid opportunities. There are different business models to consider when building your business. One approach is offering a service directly to clients, like providing a specialized skill such as graphic design. Another method involves guiding clients through a process or project, offering support and expertise instead of doing the work for them. Lastly, creating digital products or content such as ebooks or courses can be a way to generate passive income without direct interaction with clients. Crucial point here is that starting small and offering free services allows you to test your idea with minimal financial risk. By doing so, you can learn, adapt, and grow your business in a controlled environment, setting yourself up for long-term success without jumping in too quickly. The final step is to manage your finances. One of the most overlooked aspects of starting a side business is managing the financial side of things. Most people start a side business without understanding how to keep track of their earnings and expenses, but this is crucial for scaling. From the very beginning, it's important to calculate your basic expenses such as rent, utilities, loan payments, etc. This helps you figure out how much income you need from your side business to cover your essentials. Ideally, you want to keep working at your job until your side business income can completely replace these fixed expenses. This gives you financial peace of mind and allows you to focus on growing your business without the pressure of financial instability.